Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by signing into your Google account and confirming basic permissions so the assistant can hear and act. Once signed in, make sure microphone access is enabled in your browser or app. Next, test the mic with a short command and adjust input levels if needed, because clear audio means fewer misunderstandings. Finally, open the Assistant app or go to the Assistant home. This places you at the starting point for commands, routines, and device control. Now you issue practical commands and refine how the assistant responds. Start with short verbs, then provide details, for example. Set a timer for 10 minutes instead of vague phrasing. Once done, link services like calendar, smart home devices, and music accounts so actions happen automatically. Make sure to authorize each one. If multiple users share the device, set up voice match and add languages to improve recognition and personalize results based on your calendar, preferences, and location. Finish by automating repetitive tasks with routines that run at times or when triggered. Include device control, announcements, and reminders so the assistant saves you time. After creating routines, test each one step by step and observe responses. If something misfires, revise the command wording or check linked account permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: if commands fail, verify your network connection, confirm devices and services are linked, and install pending updates. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.